Tara, samahan mo ako sa kung saan masarap kumain.
Kain tayo? Samahan niyo ako at kakain tayo ng KBL, halo-halo at walang kamatayang chicken inasal. Ang food destination natin today ay matatagpuan sa Carriedo. Medyo mahaba-haba ang biyahe sa kung saan ako'y nanggagaling. Sakay ng Ayala MRT, baba sa EDSA Taft, and then transfer ng LRT, baba sa Carriedo Station. Ganon. If galing kang EDSA, pagbaba mo ng LRT to your right, diretso ka lang at makikita mo ang Plaza Miranda na mall. Kaharap nun is yung food destination natin.
You have arrived at your destination.
We're here na sa location. Medyo madami yung tao. And it's waiting.
After 5 minutes waiting, we are now ready to order. Ito ang dining area at located sila sa 678 Carriedo, Metro Manila.
Order is complete.
Wala pang 15 minutes, kompleto na ang in-order ko. Mode of payment is cash and mobile wallet. That's KBL, Kajos, Baboy, and Langka. Te, kaunta. Salamat Lord sa blessings. Bam-e is a combination of bihon and pansit. Paborito namin tong mga Ilonggo, as in. And of course, ang walang kamatayang chicken inasal. By the way, Highway ang nagmamay-ari ng restaurant na to is kapwa nating Ilonggo. So if you're craving for an authentic Ilonggo dish, saan ka pa? Dito ka na pumunta, located lang ito sa Carriedo, Quiapo, Metro Manila. Tara! For the KBL, 10 out of 10. Malambot, masarap, at higit sa lahat, affordable. And this is good for 2 to 3 person. For the chicken inasal, masarap, malaki, at feeling ko kumakain na ako sa Bacolod. Kaya sobrang recommended ko din to. 10 out of 10. Bam-e of course is my favorite and it's 10 out of 10. No explanation needed. Order nyo na to. Go na! Ang laing masarap din, 10 out of 10 din for me. Masarap lahat ng nakain ko dito. Shout out sa lahat ng staff, ang babait ninyo. Thank you so much for the fast service. Oh my God, the star of the show. This is a must try.
Sa Morbe. Namin din.
Dai, yung halo-halo nila pwede makumpit sa mga sikat na halo-halo out there. As in,
Ang ganda ng yellow ng halo-halo. Parang snow ice.
look at that ube. As in. Halo-halo is 100 over 10. Perfect. So if you're looking for an Ilonggo dish na authentic, masarap, and affordable, you may consider this. Visit this and let me know about your dining experience.
Creamy, di ba?
And as a cloud chaser, kami, binisita namin ang kaka-open lang na Cooper's Cafe. Located to sa Bonifacio Global City. Nag-open sila latter part ng 2020. For my coffee, I ordered the brown butter latte and carrot cheesecake. This cafe is perfect for the gram. O ayan, nag-arti-artihan. And if na-miss mo ang previous vlog ko, you can visit my Facebook, go to my album entitled Mini Vlog, and you can watch my recent upload from Inasal Street ko. Authentic chicken inasal. And hanggang dito na lang. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. My name is Will.
Kung ba kayo? Saan tayo next?
Bye!